नमस्ते दोस्तों, आज का हमारा टॉपिक है जनरल नॉलेज, जीके क्वेश्चंस फॉर असेंबली, ग्रेड फर्स्ट टू फिफ्थ, टोटल 150 क्वेश्चंस. नाउ लेट्स लर्न आवर टुडेज फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हु इज द फादर ऑफ आवर नेशन? महात्मा गांधी. Which is the largest ocean in the world? Pacific Ocean. Wings of Fire is the autobiography of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Which is the brightest planet in the solar system? Venus. A football team consists of how many members? 11. What is the young one of a cow called? Calf. Which is the fourth planet of our solar system? Mars. Which is the largest river in the world? Amazon. Name a plant that grows in the desert. Cactus. The smallest bone in the human body is stapes located in the ear. Which is the largest plateau in the world? Tibetan Plateau. Young one of a horse is called foal. How many bones does an adult human body have? 206. Who wrote the famous play Romeo and Juliet? William Shakespeare. Study of the universe is called cosmology. B in BRICS, an international organization, stand for Brazil. For which event did Neeraj Chopra win a gold medal at the 2020 Tokyo Olympics? Javelin throw. In which year did India win the first Cricket World Cup? 1983. In which year was South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation (SAARC) established? 1985. Name the hardest substance available on Earth. Diamond. Who was the first person to go to space? Yuri Gagarin. Who invented World Wide Web (WWW)? Tim Berners-Lee. Name the planet in our solar system that is known as the red planet. Mars. Name the scientist who discovered gravity. Sir Isaac Newton. Whose birthday is celebrated as Engineers Day in India? Sir M. Vishweshwaraya. Between which planet does the asteroid belt exist in our solar system? Mars and Jupiter. Who invented dynamite? Alfred Nobel. Which is the longest bone in the human body? Femur, thigh bone. Who invented aeroplanes? Wright brothers, Orville Wright and Wilbur Wright. Which galaxy does solar system belong to? Milky Way. Which gas is commonly found in our universe? Hydrogen. Which is the smallest continent in the world? Australia. Telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. Who invented light bulb? Thomas Alva Edison. Which is the national game of the USA? Baseball. Which is the lightest gas? Hydrogen. Name the planet nearest to the Earth. Mercury. Which festival is known as the Festival of Light? Diwali. Name a bird that lays the largest eggs. Ostrich. What is the full form of ROM? Read Only Memory. Name the smallest ocean in the world. Arctic Ocean. The term LBW is related to which sport? Cricket. Which is the tallest mountain in the world? Mount Everest. The famous novel Alice in Wonderland was written by Lewis Carroll. 1024 kilobytes is equal to 1 megabyte MB. A figure with 6 sides is known as hexagon. What do UPS stand for? Uninterrupted power supply. At which temperature does water boil? 100 degrees Celsius. Name the acid in lemon. citric acid. Which is the first animal to land on the moon? Laika the dog. What do AM and PM stand for? AM stands for anti-meridiem and PM stand for post-meridiem. Statue of Liberty is in New York City. Name the border of India and Pakistan. Red Cliff Line. What is the full form of HTTP? Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Which is the coldest planet in our solar system? Neptune. Which gas is known as laughing gas? Nitrous oxide. What is the full form of MBBS? Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. Who is the founder of Buddhism? Siddhartha Gautam. What is the capital of Italy? Rome. Name the folk dance of Andhra Pradesh. Kuchipudi, Vilasini Natyam, Andhra Natyam. Name the father of the Indian Constitution. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Jawaharlal Nehru. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Indira Gandhi. Name the deepest ocean in the world. Pacific Ocean. Name the gas which is filled in balloons. Helium. Ajwal is the capital of which state of India? Mizoram. Name the summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir. Srinagar. Who is the executive head of Union Territories? President. Name the summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir? Srinagar. Who is the executive head of Union Territories? President. How many states and Union Territories are there in India? 28 states and 8 Union Territories. Which day is celebrated as Environment Day? 5th June. Name a place where dead bodies are kept. Mortuary. Where is Gir National Forest located? Gujarat. Victoria Memorial is situated in which city of India? Kolkata. Nowadays we can say Calcutta. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Mercury. When was the Battle of Plassey fought? 1757. Which Mughal emperor was famous as Zinda Pir? Aurangzeb. When is World Health Day observed? April 7. When did the First World War take place? 1914 to 1919. Name the Defense Minister of India. Shri Rajnath Singh. In which year did Gandhiji start Quit India movement? 1942. When is National Youth Day celebrated? 12 January. When was the Battle of Buxar fought? 1764. Patliputra was the ancient name of Dash city. Patna. Who is popularly known as Frontier Gandhi? Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Name one famous slogan given by Mahatma Gandhi. Do or die. Name the author of Panchatantra. Vishnu Sharma, Miss Kautilya, Miss Chanakya. Name the famous foundation established by Dayananda Saraswati. Arya Samaj. The largest living animal in the world. The blue whale. Colt is the name of which animal's baby? Horse. Who is the writer of Mrutyunjay? Shivaji Savant. Which animal is known as the sheep of the desert? Camel. How many days are there in a week? 7 days. How many hours are there in a day? 24 hours. How many letters are there in English alphabet? 26 letters. Rainbow consists of how many colors? 7 colors. How many days are there in a year? 365 days, not a leap year. How many minutes are there in an hour? 60 minutes. How many seconds are there in a minute? 60 seconds. How many seconds make 1 hour? 3600 seconds. Baby frog is known as tadpole. How many consonants are there in English alphabet? 21 consonants. How many vowels are there in the English alphabet and name them? 5 vowels, namely A, E, I, O and U. Which animal is known as the king of jungle? The lion. Name the national bird of India. The peacock. Name the national animal of India. Tiger. What is the national anthem of India? Jana Gana Mana. Name the national flower of India. Lotus flower. Name the national fruit of India. Mango. What is the national song of India? Vande Mataram. Name the national game of India. Hockey. Which festival is called the festival of colors? Holi. Name the national river of India. Ganga. Name the national reptile of India. King Cobra. Name the national tree of India. Banyan tree. What is the capital of India? New Delhi. Name the biggest continent in the world. Asia. How many continents are there in the world? 7 continents. Name the primary colors. Red, yellow and blue. Which is the smallest month of the year? February. Name the house made of ice. Igloo. Who gave the universal law of gravitation? Sir Isaac Newton. Name the country known as land of rising sun. Japan. What is the capital of England? London. Which color symbolizes peace? White. Name the largest mammal. Blue whale. Sun rises in the east. How many sides are there in a triangle? 3. Name the largest planet of our solar system. Jupiter. Name the place known as the roof of the world. Tibet. It is an instrument in the shape of a tube with special pieces of glass lenses inside it. It makes things that far away appear bigger and nearer. Telescope. Who is the first citizen of India? The President of India. Name a natural satellite of Earth. Moon. How many states are there in India? 28 states. How many union territories are there in India? 8 union territories. How many years are there in 1 millennium? 1000 years. Name the first man to walk on the moon. Neil Armstrong. Name the oceans of the world. The Atlantic, Pacific, Indian, Arctic and the Southern Antarctic Ocean. Name the planet known as the red planet. Mars. What type of gas is observed by planet? Carbon dioxide. What type of gas is absorbed by plants? Carbon dioxide. How many days of February month have in the leap year? 29 days. Name the longest river on the earth. Nile. Which is the principal source of energy for the earth? Sun. Which is the tallest mountain in the world? Mount Everest. इस तरह से दोस्तों आज 150 क्वेश्चंस जीके के क्वेश्चन हम लोगों ने देखे। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम फिर से 150 क्वेश्चंस देखेंगे, कुल मिला के 300। थैंक यू, थैंक्स अ लॉट।